student. In this video I am going to start let us practice 13.7. Chapter name is money. Already you have learned about money by estimating length, capacity and weight, etc. Here you have to do estimating money, rounding to the nearest rupee. Everyone know to solve the rounding to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. According to your question, you have to round up to the nearest rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, etc. Now I am starting from 1. Question number 1. Round the following to the nearest rupee. 122.85. 0.85. So 122 rupees and 85 paise. Here you have to round the following, round this number to the nearest rupee. Nearest rupee. So 85, 8 is more than 5, or you can say 85 is more than 50. So it will be 120. Okay. 85 is nearest to 100. So 85 rounding to the nearest rupee is 1 rupee. So you have to add 1 rupee with rupees 122 and your answer will be rupees 123. Rupees 341.33. 3 is smaller than 5, or you can say it is less than 50. So your answer is rupees 341. Nothing is added with the rupees 341. Okay. Number C and D you will solve yourself. Now number 2A. Round the following to the nearest 10 rupee. Round the following to the nearest 10 rupee. What is the rule of to round the number nearest 10 rupee? You have to notice which digit is present in one place. Rupees 73,296. 6 is in one place. It is more than 5. So your answer is rupees 73,300. Okay, so you have to first you put 0 in one place, so it will be 290. After you will add 10. Your answer is 73,300. Rupees 41,732. Here 2 is present in one place. 2 is smaller than 5. So answer is rupees 41,730. Clear? The other two you will solve by yourself. C and D. Number 3. Round the following to the nearest 100 rupees. For round the number to the nearest 100 rupees, you have to notice which digit is present in 10 place. Now 3A. Rupees 73,925. Here 2 is present in 10 place. It is smaller than or less than 5. So your answer is rupees 73,900. Okay, 73,900. Now number B. Rupees 41,628. Again 2 is in 10 place, so it is smaller than 5. So answer is rupees 41,600. Clear? Now number 4. 4A. Rupees 212.86 plus rupees 1 rupee with 212. So your answer will be 230 plus rupees 73. Again this greater than 50. So your answer will be rupees. You have to add 1 rupee with 239. So 240 rupees. 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 2, 4. Rupees 453. Now B. Rupees 234.44 plus rupees 252.49. Nearest rupee. So approx 0.44. So your answer is rupees 234 plus 49 less than 50. So 252 plus equal rupees 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 2 4. 400 rupees 486. Now 5A. Estimate by rounding to the nearest 10 rupees. Very easy. Rupees 79,602 minus rupees 12,480. Nearest 10 rupee. Approx. Nearest 10 you have to observe which is present, which digit is present in 1 place, 2 is less than 5. So answer is 79,600 minus rupees 8 is greater than 5. So we have to add 10 with this number. So answer is 12,409. You have to subtract here. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 is smaller than 9, so it will be 10. 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So answer is 67,000 rupees, 67,110. Number B you will solve by yourself. Now number 6, this one is the last one. Number 6. Estimate by rounding to the nearest 100 rupees. For nearest 100 rupees you have to notice which digit is present in 10 place. Now 6A. Rupees 41,623 plus rupees 11,875. Estimate by rounding to the nearest 100 rupees. Approx. Nearest 100 you have to observe which one is present in 10 place. 2 is smaller than or less than 5. So rupees 41,600 plus 7, here 7 is present in 10 place. 7 is greater than 5. So your answer is rupees 11,900 equal rupees 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 9, 15, 1 is in your hand, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 53,500. Okay, and number B you will solve by yourself. So student, now you will practice from 1 to 6. If you can't solve these all, you can tell me in your group. Okay, so take care. Thank you.